Hi guys, I want to show you an awesome machine. LETSEW Pockets Welting Machine. No joke, it's a game changer. The speed, insane. It can make 3 pockets per minute. If you get this machine, you can see the boost in efficiency. We've got 13 years of experience in total R&D and production and have over 50 patents. Our tech is way ahead of industry. Most importantly, it has a regional external folding structure. That means more stable, not fussy about fabric. It can make pockets as narrow as 8 mm wide. No need for high rework. Afraid of rework? Of course choose LETSEW. Here is infrared positioning with wind suction, no pre-ironing indeed. Enlarged material supporting plates prevent fabric from shifting or deforming. Equipped with a 120-watt high-power laser. Thick fabric, thin fabric, cuts them all like butter. The sewing area has a medium pressure foot, so the stitches look super neat and pretty. Here comes our pocket man. Pocket making chaos is covered by us.